The public is being invited to participate in a Women's Health Summit set to be held on International Day of Action for Women's Health, May 28, 2022. It will be held on the lawns of ACE Total Healthcare at 4 Hillcrest Avenue. Director of InSync Health Wellness Beauty, Kimberly Hoffman, the convener of the event, says it is a nod to the acknowledgement of women's rights to health.
I thought it was important to bring this event here in Jamaica. We have a lot of women's health issues that's kept on the radar, like for instance, the maternal mortality rate is at 80 per 100,000 live deaths, and that's pretty high. We have one of the highest in the world. And the incidence of PCOS is 1 in every 10 women. So I think it's important for us to share this information, to educate, to empower and inform women on women's health as much as possible.
Ms. Hoffman, who is a trained physiotherapist, says participants will be exposed to accurate, evidence-based information on issues pertaining to their health.
I'm hoping that I'll be able to educate women on issues pertaining to women's health, such as endometriosis, PCOS, and infertility. I would like them to know more of the holistic benefits or the holistic treatment options that are available for them to utilize, because a lot of women, I think it's either surgery or medication, but that's not the only option. There's exercise, weight loss management, there is mental health aspect to it as well, and they can get help from a psychologist. So we'll also have one on the panel. And even physiotherapy, for instance, women with endometriosis, they have a lot of pain, and I think the only thing they can do is take painkillers, but physiotherapy can help with the pain that you feel during your period. There are lots of modalities that we use that can help women with their pain, and we'd like them to know this information and for them to also know that that kind of care is available right here in Jamaica.
Participants must register for the event online.
All right, so whether you're registering for in-person or online, it's the same registration process. You can find the link on my Instagram page at the Women's Health Physio, or you can call 804-3665 and someone will help you with the registration process. The only difference between selecting in-person or virtual is a button that you'll click. You'll click in-person or you'll click virtual. Depending on what you click, that's the information you'll get. You'll either get the link for the virtual or you'll get the details for the in-person.